Hello drone lovers, welcome to my channel. My name is KM. haven't been flying this Tyro5HD for some time because I've seen that in a couple of old videos the signal level from the antenna was pretty bad. If you could look at the picture on the on this screen, you can see that the antenna was mounted on the top, and I think it's due to the inferior antenna because I bought this unit second-hand, so it could be that it was damaged in a crash already. So I managed to change it to a new antenna. Okay, but this round I found out that I couldn't mount it upwards because there's some restriction in the air unit on top, so I had to mount it downwards, which is a blessing in disguise maybe, because it looks like when you're flying, when the drone is up in the sky, your antenna is pointed downwards, so there's no blockage for your antenna. Only thing is that the battery may be blocking one of the antennas, but since there's diversity, I think there shouldn't be a problem. So you can watch the comparison of the two videos. You can see on this video here currently that the signal level has dropped to 1, which is before the change of the antenna. Okay, and in order to avoid that, after I changed the antenna, you can see the signal level has never dropped below 3. This is with 700 milliwatts of power and flying around the same field. But unfortunately, the two videos that I'm showing, the two packs that I'm showing, I'm not seated at the same place. But nevertheless, it is the same field. You can see that overall, the signal level for the new antenna has never gone down below 3 in one of the packs, in any of the packs. like this video, do subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and remember to click on the notification bell to enable it so that you can receive any of my future videos as soon as I post it. Okay? Alright, have a nice day. Bye bye.